In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to know if your PC is hacked Windows 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I begin talking about how to check if your PC could be infected with viruses or malware, I want to make it very clear that I am recording this on Windows 11, but don't worry, everything that I say here will apply for Windows 10 as well. Sadly, I don't have the means to record on a Windows 10 PC at the moment, but I still want to showcase these tips. So, first of all, always make sure that Windows security, known as Defender, is enabled. The interface might be slightly different on Windows 10, but the idea is the same. Windows security is Microsoft's own antivirus. Because nowadays it is very refined, it always runs in the background, you don't actually need to download other antiviruses like in the past, such as Avast, Avira, AVG, and so on. In fact, I would recommend uninstalling any additional piece of antivirus that you have, and only keep Windows security. Go over to Virus and Threat Protection, and you can do a quick scan from here. It is super fast, it will scan everything, but if you are concerned, you can make it do a full scan, which might take longer, but it will search deep down for any infections that your PC might have. Usually, if you have Virus and Threat Protection disabled, there will be a big notification telling you to enable it. So if you see any sort of warning, make sure that you enable it. And when you go over to the home page, everything should have this green check mark. Now, besides Windows security, you can consider downloading one additional piece of antivirus software. My recommendation would be Malwarebytes. It essentially has the same function. If you are unsure and you feel like Windows security missed something, then download one antivirus of your choice. Make sure that you don't download multiple, so don't download Avira plus Avast plus AVG plus Malwarebytes. Only one of them is enough. So download any one of your choosing and then run the scan. You can also do Windows plus R, so open the run window by pressing the Windows key plus R and type MRT. This will open the Microsoft Malware Removal tool. Again, this is essentially the same idea. You just run this tool and you do a full scan. Let this process finish and maybe it finds something that Windows security missed. Now, other signs that your PC could be infected by viruses is to go to the Task Manager and check the started applications. So right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and under Startup Apps, you will find all the applications that are run when your PC boots up. If you notice an application that you don't know the name is weird or that shouldn't be opening, then first of all, click on it and then choose the option to disable. Let's say, for example, NZXT-CAM is something that I didn't recognize. What I recommend is that you right-click the file or the virus that you believe shouldn't be here, right-click, go to Open File Location, and see where it takes you. You can also search for the name of the executable on Google to see what other users have reported. And if you notice that it is indeed a virus, then you can go into Windows Security or Malwarebytes and try to choose the quarantine options to make sure that it is properly quarantined and uninstalled. If you are absolutely unsure, the best course of action would be to do a clean install of Windows. I hope I was able to help you on how to know if your PC is hacked in Windows 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.